The iData team has put together the following demonstration. Let me show you the characteristics that make this product innovative and the value it can bring to your business. Let's take a look together. Thanks for taking the time to watch this iData Lab demo. We hope you found it helpful. If you're looking to develop a custom formulation, we can help you to do that too. Just click the Help icon on the back side of the electronic iData sheet and we'll help you get started.